Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iOS 17 contact boosters not working on iPhone. Contact booster in iOS 17 offers a fun way to create digital contacts card for yourself and your contacts using images, filters, monograms and emojis. Although this new feature in iOS 17 seems great, but it isn't perfect, and many users have reported that contact boosters are not working on their iPhone in iOS 17. But guys, don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix contact booster not working issue on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to force close and relaunch the phone app. One of the simplest solutions you can employ to fix any app related issue on your iPhone is to force close and relaunch the app. To do this, you have to simply open the phone app on your iPhone and then close it and try opening it again. If this still doesn't work, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix this type of issue. So you have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to make sure name and photos sharing are enabled on your iPhone. And another possible reason why contact booster may fail to appear on your iPhone could be that the users might have accidentally disabled name and photo sharing for their contact booster. You see, these options allow users to pick whether or not they want to share their contact booster with everyone. To enable them, you have to simply go to the phone app, then go to the contact booster of your iPhone. Then simply tap on contact photos and booster. You have to make sure name and photo sharing is enabled on your iPhone. After this, then you have to do check if show my caller ID is enabled on your iPhone. The caller ID is the name or the number that shows up on a recipient's iPhones whenever you call them. However, a handful of carriers often a way to hide your caller ID so that the recipient can't see your number and identify you. If you disable caller ID on your iPhone, contact booster may fail to work for you. So you have to make sure that the caller ID is enabled on your iPhone. After this, then introduce update apps that support contact boosters. Apart from the default phone app on your iPhone, many third-party apps like WhatsApp and Skype also support contact booster. If contact booster aren't working with third-party apps on your iPhone, you should update the apps you're using to ensure that they have been optimized to run on iOS 17. So guys, after trying all these steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to remove and recreate a new contact booster. To do this, you have to simply open the phone app, then go to the contact booster, then simply tap on edit, scroll down, you will see an option delete contact. Simply tap on it, again tap on delete contact and delete it, and then simply tap on it again, tap on edit and then set it again. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iOS 17 contact booster feature not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.